gonna be a movie, guys. So I want you to prepare for that. This company, ladies and gentlemen, is on a completely different level.
Success Factory is a company about people.
We represent a community that gives an opportunity for every person on the planet.
Making a change to a better life.
Regardless of your religion, regardless of your political views, regardless of your skin color, are you ready to have the most amazing day of your lives?
Are you ready? We launched today 2 phenomenal products.
This new product is going to bring you recurring revenue. That means you're gonna build passive and massive income for your family, yourself, your friends, and your community.
Forex insiders give the possibility to every single person can earn money like professional traders. They do that for us. They filtrate all this information for us, and we have the possibility to push 2 buttons, follow the strategy.
Who is ready to increase their sales this year up to 300%? B.A.N.K is designed to crack the personality code in less than 90 seconds.
We use the new products to launch B.A.N.K, to launch Forex Insiders in each and every local area where you come from. Are you ready to take it to the next level? Are you ready to give more from yourself to more people?
Something is in the air. We'll unleash the beast that is hidden between the flames of Success Factory.
A year ago, here in Dubai, we had approximately 3 times lesser. Today we have 450,000 members, even more.
It is the 3rd time when we are here, and every year we have been growing and growing and growing.
Let's rock 2020.
We need you as the leadership. We are the persons, we are the people to get this company together with them to the next level.
We are going to be the biggest company ever existed in history of mankind. And we have the product to do it. And we have you, the superior distributors that can make the job done. It's all about you, ladies and gentlemen. And when you and I come together, we create the magic of Dubai. We create we.
Who want to take his ring?
In this business, you always have to be coachable.
تعلم انك دائما تكون تلميذ اذا قررت انك تنجح.
The successful, it's something you need it.
وأدركت أن العمل بدون توقف لي وللفريق سننجح جميعا.
Но я думаю, что мы только начали.
It's possible. You have something special in you.
If you have a clear why, that keeps me every day going and going and going.
В этой компании я действительно поняла, что такое значит сетевой маркетинг. Это семья, это поддержка, это любовь, это забота, это единство.
Believe in the product. Believe in yourself. Believe that you can do it.
А вы хотите, чтобы компания гордилась нами?
I believe this is one of the biggest and strongest opportunity for the future.
It is not only an activity for me or a business for me. Network marketing is my life.
This is a total value opportunity. Everything you want, you get it here. To me, this is a way of life.
هذه الشركة تستحق انك تحط تعبك كله فيها.
We know that with the correct passion,
with the correct drive, with the correct energy, that we are going to change the world as we build the biggest company on the planet.
In events, we commit, we make decisions, we transform ourselves.
Always works. It always works because network marketing is about duplication.
If you want to make a big business of this, you can do it.
It's not over until I win.
If the water cannot go above it, it will go under. If it cannot go right, it will go left. If it cannot go right, left, above, underneath, it will go through it. Do we have ambitious people here in the room?
El legado comienza con el embajador Corona. ¿Quieres construir tu legado? ¡Conviértete! Pero antes de que el back office se dé cuenta, debes de comportarte, debes de pensar, debes de caminar, debes de hablar, debes de actuar como embajador Corona.
This is the attitude of the ambassadors.
So how many ground ambassadors do we have in the room?
Are you ready? Are you really ready to be the superstar of Success Factory?
Tenemos la mejor compañía, tenemos los mejores líderes, tenemos los mejores productos del mercado. Success Factory llegó para hacer historia.
Start creating your own story, because one day you will be here on the stage.
We are a global community. These different personalities are here to serve you. They are the best in the world, and with this leadership, a company cannot go wrong.
Are you ready? Unlock your potential, subscribe tonight, and let's see what dreams